Stop paying for Telegram promotion. Yes, you heard that right. Stop paying. What if you could promote your Telegram channel, your bot, or even your individual posts using points that you earn completely for free? No credit card, no subscription fees, no hidden costs. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, you join the platform. It takes just a couple of minutes to sign up, and you can do it right from Telegram itself. Once you are in, you get access to a simple, clean menu with different tasks you can complete to earn points. And the tasks are easy. You can subscribe to channels, join bots, react to posts, view content, and complete other available tasks. Some take only a few seconds. Think about it. Every day you already scroll through Telegram anyway. Now, instead of scrolling for nothing, every tap you make can earn you something back. Every single time you complete a task, you earn points. The more active you are, the more points you collect. And here is the cool part. You can use those points to promote your own Telegram links. Have a channel? Promote it. Have a bot? Promote it. Have an important post that you really want people to see? Promote that too. Your content gets shown to real, active Telegram users. People who are on the platform every single day. The system is really simple. Complete tasks, earn points, use your points for promotion. That's the whole loop, and you can get started without paying a single cent for the points. It is a simple way to exchange your time and activity for real promotional exposure on Telegram. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Does this actually work? Think about what Telegram promotion normally costs. Buying ads, paying for shoutouts, hiring promo channels, it all adds up fast, especially when you are just starting out and your budget is small. This flips the whole thing around. Instead of spending money, you spend a few minutes of your time, and you get real members, real interactions, and real visibility. If you are trying to grow a channel, get attention for a bot, or promote your posts, this is definitely something worth checking out. So do not just watch. Give it a try. Join the platform, complete your first tasks, start collecting points, and then use those points to promote your own Telegram content. Start small, be consistent, and watch your points, and your audience, grow. And remember, more tasks means more points. More points means more promotion. More promotion means more growth. Good luck, everyone, and if you try it, let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear your results.